All right, here we go. Coming back down, trying to retest the lows. We've got indications that this market will bounce and probably not break through the lows by too much. So I'm going to try to get 51.5. And if we break a little lower, I'll buy more. Let's see if we can get it. We're at 51.5 now. Here we go. 51.5 long. Looking for a bounce. We're looking for a retest of the 54.5. Okay. So let's see. I'm going to pause this video. And again, we got positive divergence on a lot of things here. The NYSE tick, the advanced decline line. So we've got a lot of things going on here. So it doesn't look to me. I mean, look at, we're going into a time of day where you wouldn't logically expect the market to make a big move in either direction, right? We're going into those doldrums, the lunch hour. So if anything, we're going to probably oscillate back and forth. We've still got a 1.44 ATR reading, which means average for the last 4 bars we're averaging 1.5. So we're still getting some movement here, okay? So let's see if we can come back down and actually test that low and maybe break it and go a little bit lower before we put more on, okay? So I'm gonna pause the video. I'll be back. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and take just half the position off. See if I can get back at 52.25, 52.25, right there, 52.25.
Order filled.
All right, 52.25. That leaves me with 1 contract. All right, I am back. It's been a long time. Unfortunately, I had to leave the office. And let's see. Look at this. We are up 412. Let's see. We closed out 162 earlier. We're up $412 because we're still holding 1 trade from right in here. Remember, we took profits. Remember, we bought 2 here. We took 1 off here. Okay. And the market kind of came down, rallied up. I had to leave. I had a sell stop below this low, okay, thinking that the market was going to continue to rally because a lot of institutional buying looked like it was coming into play. So I felt comfortable just having my resting sell stop right below this level. And if I came back and the market was up, great. And if not, then hey, I get stopped out and still make money on the day, right? So we're up 400 on this particular trade. I believe we're starting to hit resistance now. And so what I'm going to do, because look at, if you go back further, basically where we're at right now, and we're a hair past that, but we're at about the 50% retracement of the entire day's down move. Remember, this is the high of the day, low of the day, and we are sitting right here. That's the 50% of the day, 60% of the day, okay? And we've only got 1 contract. If I had more on, I'd just take 1 off here and trail it up. But since I've got 1 on left, I'm going to go ahead and just take profits. I'm going to put an order at 59.5 to sell 1. Let's see if we can get 59.5. Right there, 59.25 right now. Let's see if we can go back up to 59.5. All right, 59.5 right here, and we are done. So now we're flat. We made $562 on the day. I can't find my pen. I don't know where we're at. Yeah, 59.5. There we go. So we were out. Hopefully that helps. Oh, here we go. I got my pen right over here. Hold on 1 second. All right, I'm back again. Okay, so I'm going to call it quits right now. I am flat. Still, it is a little after 2 o'clock. There's probably going to be another trade here set up today so far. I'm seriously thinking about shorting this market right up in here, looking for some type of reaction to the downside. But so far, we've got some momentum to the upside. But you take a look at this, we are in a resistance area. Now, does that mean the market can't blow up through that resistance? It certainly can. And right now, it looks like we've got a little institutional buying. We've got momentum to the upside. Now, I want to see this momentum peter out a little bit here, somewhere between the 50 and the 60 before looking to hop back in to the short side, looking for some type of reaction. Do I actually think the market's going to come back down and retest the low of the day? I don't think so, no. But do I think the market's probably going to try to come back to, let's say, 57-ish from here, maybe a 3-point down from here? Possibly, okay? So have a great one. Hope that helps. I'll be back with you tomorrow.